This is a video overview of Snapshot, a plug-in key performance indicator for the Preactor advanced planning and scheduling software. Snapshot is a plug-in module developed and distributed by Lean Scheduling International, the primary international and US distributor for Preactor. In the Preactor scheduling window, we can see the resources and the Gantt chart, and we can view Snapshot integrated into this environment. We call Snapshot from the Tools menu, and as with other products with Preactor, we can organize how we display this in our workspace. I like to put Snapshot up in the top panel so that we can see Snapshot along with the schedule. And as we look at this particular schedule, which was run forward sequenced by priority, we can see the major measurements. We've got 19 days average order span, 78% on-time orders, and 671 hours of setup. Now what you can do with Snapshot is we can take a snapshot of this for a comparative basis, and if we now go ahead and deschedule, we can see the order board's clear now and all the orders are waiting to be scheduled. And now if we schedule using a forward sequence by due date, which is basically allowing the scheduling algorithm to figure the best order of operations, now we can see that we've gained some things. Our on-time deliveries have improved up to 89%, and our setup has actually been cut by more than half. So this is a good schedule. So maybe there's more we can gain. So let's go and save this version of the schedule as our baseline now. And again, we'll deschedule, and now this time we'll reschedule using an advanced planning and scheduling rule. And the rule we'll pick is the one to minimize overall setup and schedule using that algorithm. If we look at our performance, we can see that the setup has indeed reduced down to 277 hours. But we've had some significant business penalty on that. Our on-time orders have now gone down to 59%. So in evaluating different scenarios and what-ifs, Snapshot is an invaluable tool for quickly seeing the net changes in your performance of a schedule, which can be very complex. Now this is the overall KPI. There's a set of other items. There are a variety of metrics by week showing setup hours and throughput units and on time by week. And also we can see that we can compare the on times, and Preactor usually does a pretty good job at choosing to make the late orders the ones that are at the low priority. So for example, the build to stock kind of orders, make them late rather than a customer order. Now if you want to have more KPIs that are specifically tuned towards your environment, Snapshot has that capability, and you can go in right through the configuration mode here. Let's bring this back. And if we go into an indicator type and look at the on-time delivery one, we can see that what it's doing is we're just picking from Preactor data. We can say we want to compare the end time to the due date. That's our metric. And then we're going to set up some banding down here. What values are going to show up as red, yellow, and green. So it's very easy to build out your site custom KPIs. This has been an overview of Snapshot by Lean Scheduling for Preactor APS. You can download the baseline snapshot for free if you're already running Preactor, and you can utilize those standard indicators that I showed. If you want to build it out and purchase the professional version, please contact us at leanscheduling.com or the phone number shown on the panel.